Good morning, grade 3. So, today we will take lesson 4D, which is pyramids and prisms. And in this lesson, we are going to know the difference between pyramids and prisms. Those 3D shapes are different by what? Let us watch this video to know the difference between them.
Hi kids! Today we will learn some more interesting 3D shapes. That is, prism and pyramids. Let's start with learning. What is a prism? In simple words, prism is a 3D shape in which the top and bottom faces are the same shape.
So here, as we can see, the prism has two bases and they are the same. So focus here, two bases, and they are triangles here.
And size, and all the other faces are rectangles.
It's very important that in the prism, the other faces are rectangles and the base can be any of shapes: triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, whatever.
I will repeat. Prism is a 3D shape in which the top and bottom faces are same shape and size, and all the other faces are rectangles. There are many types of prisms depending upon the shape of its top and bottom faces or its cross section. Let's see. First one is the triangular prism.
So we name the prism according to its base faces. So here the base face is triangle, and the other base again it is triangle, and they are the same as we said before, and that's why we call it triangular prism.
This is a triangular prism because its top and bottom faces are triangle in shape, and all other faces are rectangular. It has 6 vertices, 9 edges, and 5 faces. Now, let's learn another type of prism. This is a square prism. This is a square prism because its top and bottom faces are square in shape, and all other faces are rectangular. This is the same as a cuboid. So it has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Now, let's learn another type of prism. This is a rectangular prism because its top and bottom faces are rectangular, and all other faces are rectangular too. This is the same as cuboid shape. So, it has 6 faces.
So the other name of the cuboid is a rectangular prism. It is almost the same.
8 vertices and 12 edges. Now, let's learn another type of prism. This is a pentagonal prism because its top and bottom faces
are pentagon
in shape, and all other faces are rectangular.
So, as we see, it's very important that in the prism, all of the other shapes, except for sure the bases, are rectangles.
It has 10 vertices, 15 edges, and 7 faces. There can be more types too, depending on the shape of its top and bottom faces. Now, we will be learning another 3D shape, pyramid, and its types. First,
So now here, please focus for the difference. What is the difference between, or what are the differences between the pyramids and the prisms?
let's see what is a pyramid. In simplest words, pyramid is a 3D shape where it has a single base, which can be of any polygon shape like triangle, square, rectangle, or pentagon. And all other faces are triangle in shape that converge to a single point at the top, which is called its apex. I repeat, pyramid has a single base, which can be of any polygon.
So the difference is prisms has two bases and can be of any of the shapes, which is triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, whatever. But in pyramids we have only one base and the other faces are triangular. And this is the opposite of the prisms, which have the other faces that are all rectangular faces.
Shape like triangle, square, rectangle.
Pentagon.
And all other faces are triangle in shape that converge to a single point at the top, which is called its apex. Most common pyramids are with triangle and square bases. Here are examples. This is a triangular pyramid because its base is a triangle.
So here we name the pyramid according to its base as well as for the prisms. So here the pyramid has a triangular base, so we called it triangular pyramid.
And all other faces are triangle and converge to a single point. It has 4 vertices, 6 edges, and 4 faces. These are common things of this shape. This is a square pyramid because its base is a square. And all other faces are triangle and converge to a single point. It has 5 vertices, 8 edges, and 5 faces. These are some common things of this shape. Now, this is a pentagon pyramid. Because its base is a pentagon and all other faces are triangle and converge to a single point. It has 6 vertices, 10 edges, and has 6 faces. These are some common things of this shape. Okay, kids, today we learned various interesting.
So, in this video, we learned what are the differences between prisms and pyramids. And again, prisms has two bases which can be of any of the shapes: triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, etc. And all of the other faces are rectangles. And pyramids have only one base which can be of any shape: triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, and we name it according to its base. And all of the other faces are triangles. All of the other faces are triangles. This is how we differentiate between triangles and pyramids and prisms. So in our next lesson, we are going to solve questions on your activity book. And until then, see you next time.